Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to look at median smoothing. So once again we're looking at reducing the noise or the random irregularities in time series data. We've already looked at using the mean. Now using the median is, I think, much quicker but more commonly done by hand on a graph. So to start off with, we're looking at 3 median smoothing. Finding the median of 3 points. Alright, now finding the median of 3 points takes a little bit of practice, but with practice it can be done very quickly. So we want to find the median y value and the median x value. And to do this, we can say, well, that is one y value, a second y value, and a third y value. We have a small, middle, top. The middle one, the Goldilocks one that's just right in the middle, is our median y value. Then we do the same with the x values. We have a small, median, and high. This one here is our median x value, which means the median of these 3 points is here. So if I asked you to find the median of 3 points, that big red ugly dot would be where it is. Now clearly you're working in pencil and can do it much more neatly than I, and you start getting quite quick at it. You look for the median in the x, the median in the y, and where that is a point. And note that almost always this will always be level with 1 and above 1. And with median smoothing, we only ever use odd numbers, so it'll only be 3, 5, 7. And I'll do 3 here. Alright, so 3 median smoothing. This is going to be the middle x value. So we can't smooth the first one because it has no neighbours, but we can smooth the next one. That's the middle x value. That's the middle y value, because you've got a y value here, here, and here. That's the middle one, meaning the smooth value goes there. Now, I'm doing some working around it. That's the first point, and yes, we should probably plot that a little smaller. So it is there. Now, the next one over. So here we're looking at this fella's 2 neighbours. Its 2 neighbours are here, here, and here for the y variable. So the y median is here, and the x median is the one in the middle, which is clearly this one here. So we're looking for something that's vertically in line with our middle one, and horizontally in line with that one there. Next point over, we look at its 2 neighbours. Its 2 neighbours are both above. We want the middle median one, which is this one here, so there. Next point over, we have there, there, there. This one here is the median y value. Then we look at this one. The median y value for this one is actually here, because we have a y value here, a y value here, and a y value here. That must be the median. And same with the x values. X value, x value, x value. You can see where the cross is. That's the median value. So here, we can keep going till we finish. We might as well. There. That will be the final one. So you can see what's happened at the top here is that those random fluctuations that seem to go up and down have been smoothed out. Note that though, when there's a continuous down of 3 in a row, we still see that on our time series graph. Right. And yes, you could join these points if you wanted to plot it together, and in the test they would expect you to join them at the end, not just plot them. Alright, that's 3 median smoothing. 5 median is very similar. Now, 5 median, I find this graph's quite amusing. It's a number of people, number of officers who are kicked to death by their own horses in the Prussian cavalry. 5 median is you take the 2 numbers either side of a number and find the median of all 5. So we can't do this one because he doesn't have 2 neighbours either side. We can't do this one because he doesn't have 2 neighbours either side. So what we're going to focus on is smoothing this one here. Then what we do is we take the median of the 5x values. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clearly the middle one there is the median. Same here, we take the median of the 5y values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the median of both is actually the point we're on. So it is possible to smooth to a point we want. This one here. All right. Now here, the same thing will happen. Let's look at this one then. This one here, what is the median y value? Well, we have 1 y value, 2 y values, 3 y values. So that y value there, the third one up, will be the median. Because yeah, then there are 2 more above it, but the median's the middle one. So we're looking in line with it for the third one. Now, smoothing on this, we're going the 2 values either side. So we will go 1 up, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're in line with 3. I'll do this one more slowly. Here, we're looking at lined with this, so we're looking at the 5 points. Point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5. The 2 either side for 5 median smoothing. Then we want to look at the median y value. So median y value, there will be 5 going up. The middle one will be the third. So this is first going up, second going up, third going up. So we look at where the third going up meets this one here, will be there. And so on and so on. You would be expected to be able to smooth that reasonably accurately by hand and join the dots at the end. Once again, in pencil, ruled lines neatly. Alright, that is 5 median smoothing. You could extrapolate that to 7 median smoothing if you wish, just by taking the 3 either side and the 1 in the middle, and then finding the median very carefully. Alright, thank you very much.